how to boot into Android recovery on Samsung. Okay, so on your Samsung phone, make sure you power it off. And then we're going to plug the phone into a computer with a USB cable. Make sure your computer is switched on and make sure you plug the cable into the computer. Once it is plugged into the phone, wait until you see the charging bar at the bottom here appear. So give it a few moments, it will show us down here. Okay, so you can see at the moment it's still not showing anything. If you wait it for too long and it does not show, you can try to remove the cable and put it back in. Here you can see it shows the charging with a triangle. It doesn't really matter, just leave it, ignore it. Now what we're going to do is press on the power button and the volume up key. Press on both keys and hold. So press and hold like this. Press and hold until you see it shows the recovery menu. So continue to hold and continue to hold. And that's it. You are now in the recovery menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.